Oh, so cute. That's adorable. I love that. Oh, okay. I hate that they have these fans on.
Okay, so guys, I don't know if we told you guys or not, but our friend is having a baby, she and her husband. And their sprinkle, it's like a baby shower, but it's a small party gathering. It's going to be in January. And I've been looking for a really cute floral dress, y'all. Like I want something kind of flowy, but I saw this, I'm in anthropologie, and I saw this, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try it on. So hopefully they have an extra large online. I'm gonna look and see if they have it online. I just wanted to try it on to see how it looks. This is a large, and it's got like elastic.
Such a cute dress.
And stuff like that. So yeah, it's super cute. It is so adorable. And I think what I would do is wear like tights with it or something like that, and some cute like Mary Jane like shoes or something. It's so cute. It's like so sweet. It's perfect for a baby, for a girl baby. So hopefully, and then I also am trying to work my way down to about 20 pounds less. So I'm on a road to 20 pounds down by January. So who knows? I might be in the large. I might be, if they have an extra large, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. And then, you know, let it do what it do.
This is her dress, y'all. It's cute. Y'all, this is my look of the day. It's my sweatshirt. Actually, everything is from Target, except for my Birkenstock socks, my Reebok sneakers, and then my Glamaholic lifestyle bag. But yeah, it's super cute. I love it. It's just chill, relaxed, and light.
Everybody's wearing this nail color. She has like something like this too.
I might have to get that.
I love it. I like it on longer nails, for sure. So I can't wait till my nails get longer.
Total is $49.01.
This is the belt that was on the coat.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So you want the belt for the coat as well? Oh, yeah. Because that would be nice because you liked the whole thing.
Yeah. So this is where the holes are. So I wouldn't be able to do that. Might be able to do. That's nice though.
Hey guys, so it is, what time is it? 8 something? Okay, yeah, so it's 8:10. We're about to head home. About to leave the gym now. And we're about to head home, get in the shower, eat something, and just kind of work on a couple things. We have been pretty much today just busy, you know, doing like just some chilled and relaxed type things, and more so things that like focus on the spiritual. So yeah, that's important, y'all. You know, we want to make sure that we're working our full, like our bodies from head to toe, but that includes, you know, our you know, our spirits. And so, yeah, we are about to head home, like I said, and eat, clean ourselves up, rather eat, and then just chill.
Whew, that was a tough workout, but it was a great one. Did 25 minutes
Skin is skinning.
today. It's skinning because it's sweating.
It looks pretty.
But anyways, but yeah, we had, so I did work out at home and like did the strength training stuff. And so now I'm just like so tired. Oh my gosh. Where's the ice bath? Never doing that.
Still haven't decided, but I am heavily leaning on this side. Okay, till then I am going to be carrying my Glamaholic bag. Kim's not getting this bag. But yeah, so that's cute though, right y'all? I know y'all been saying, get the bag, go ahead and get the bag. You're all right. Need to go ahead and get the bag. That's cute though. That is cute. I can see myself walking through the airport in this. That's cute. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go and get it. That's so cute.
That's over there.
That's really cute. Well, while we got our tails in anthropologie again. That's really cute. Oh, okay. That's pretty. And then the way that the light hits it too, that's so pretty. I like that.
And that's what it was. That's the only reason why I decided to have my boys later.
Yeah, and I commend that.
Exactly.
You know, I had my son at a young age, and
Okay, so guys, we are watching Pop the Balloon, and we are eating Paris baguettes. What's the guy's name on Instagram?
I don't remember his name.
The guy with the really like deep
He's
voice.
the voiceover guy.
Yeah, voiceover guy. He wears glasses. So he said that these were really good. So we got the minis, and we're gonna try them, and we will let you guys know if we like them or not.
Because I have a big mind. So,
Perfect, thank you. Let's go ahead to our next lady here. Your name and age and why'd you end up popping your balloon?
hi, my name is Phoenix Lemon, and I'm popping Aaron.
I think it would be better fresh.
That's why.
So it's
A little too young for you.
yeah, it was nice.
But-
cheese today. I ain't gonna lie, like that.
It's okay.
But like this is
Okay.
like, honestly me. That
Or
was,
maybe like in the bigger one.
That was my choice because like in my early 20s,
It's a little
like,
dry.
all I did was work out.
Y'all, look what Kim got me for my birthday. I was so shocked because I didn't know she was getting me anything. I mean, well, obviously she would, but oh my goodness. And I was just, because y'all, okay, so let me tell you. I'm so excited. So she's just going to hand it to me. Y'all, so y'all have been wondering where we've gotten these. I've been actually wearing her necklace like this, but so we got them from, is it pronounced Vitali or Vitali? Vitali, Vitali, whichever one. But I'll tag this. Well, you know what? I think this one is the one that I have tagged on my LTK. But I didn't expect to get this one. So this is obviously the backstory behind it. So we were like the other week running, trying to find the newest chain at Zara. I saw Jeranika Macia with that particular chain. I think she had both the bracelet and the necklace, but both are so cute. And we went trying to find this necklace because we love chunky chains. And so they weren't there at the at any of the locations that we went to. Actually, the one location that had any particular part of the duo was the Lenox location, and they only had the bracelet. And so she just, opening up her packages, and she goes, "What'd you say? Happy birthday or Merry Christmas?" Happy birthday. And I was like, "Oh, what is this?" And I looked, I was like, "Is this mine?" And she said, "Open it." And I opened it, and it's this one. It's even better than the Zara one, y'all. I love this so much. It feels so good. Y'all, oh, it is so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, thank you, Boots.